Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her empties. Hope you guys are enjoying the month of July. I am here and I am exhausted, but I will survive. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick run of my empties so that I could get rid of them. They're all in this gray bag. And I'm kind of running a little late for work, so I'm going to start going quickly. This is going to be really fast. This is my the fragrance-free cleansing cloth, which is okay. This is a cleansing cloth that I had in my traveling bag that I forgot about that completely dried out. So try to remember to take those things out. This creamy night mask moisturizer pump by Sephora was all right. I got the Deadly Face Cleanser by e.l.f. This was good. I do recommend that. It's very affordable. I also have the Claire's Multi-Active Daily Moisturizer with Antioxidant Day Cream. This cream is amazing and I would recommend that as well. It's a very good product. The lash glue that I use, I finished it. I would like to say my sister finished it. There's a sponge that I have for quite some time that I just have to toss away. Got this tea tree oil from Dollar Tree, which is actually very good. I actually mixed this with another spray bottle and it's nice and healthy. Gives it a nice shine to your hair. Another cleansing cloth by e.l.f. I got lashes that I ripped by mistake. It's one of my favorite lashes at that I ripped. So I had to get rid of it. And this e.l.f. primer from my traveling bag that completely dried out. This eyeliner from the travel bag completely dried out. This brush is completely done. Two brushes actually to do your brows. Just went and purchased some new ones and a mascara, you guys. That was quick and fast. That is my quarterly empties for the month of July, you guys. I know that was pretty quick and fast, but we get to the point quickly. So you guys enjoy the month of July. Let me know what you guys are doing for July it's very family oriented, very festive. Down below that you guys are doing. And I'll catch you guys on the other side. Enjoy the rest of the summer.